I know 10K to. Pero kung nasalihan mo lahat ng legs, you will earn a different medal from Puma.
Wow!
Oo, ibang medal na yun. Kung nasalihan nyo yung 21K, dapat kanina natin na-mention yun.
Oo nga, 10K na ito. Pero malay natin, di ba, mag-21K na sila sa next marathon na sasalihan nila. Ma-encourage sila mag-21K, di ba?
Yun. So again, meron pang apat. So make sure to check that out. Check nyo yung Puma. Hindi pa or naipit dyan sa 5K, please pass the left side ng ating assembly area. Alright, yung mga 10K na medyo naiwan nung batch nila, dito kayo sa left side ng ating assembly area, dumaan. Left side of our assembly area. All 10K runners, please pass dito sa left side ng assembly area. Alright? Kasi pumapasok. Davaoenos, make some noise! There you go! And of course, welcome to the Davao Puma Half Marathon. Today, we are not just gonna run for fitness, but we are gonna run the streets that we are very proud of. It's everyday life. Ako na si Kais.
And I am Kayan Lara, and today we celebrate the second leg of the much-awaited running event of the year, the Puma Philippine Half Marathon Series. So a few weeks ago, no, naata sa Manila.